everybody! Okay, it's time for my new puzzle. Yes, and this one is called, I guess, Flamingos. Yes, it is Flamingos. And it is from Clementoni. It has got 500 pieces. I don't know how easy it will be. I guess I will start with the Flamingos or the font, maybe the font, then the Flamingos. And then I'll wrap myself around. So let's see. Let's do it. Alright, you guys, Flamingos. Nothing much to say here. It wasn't as tricky as I thought it would be, and now it's done. So here we've got the Flamingos. They're chilling, and that's it. Okay, guys, if you like what you saw, consider to hit the like button. That would be awesome. Or if you haven't already, you can consider to subscribe to my channel. That would help my channel grow. So maybe we'll see us on the next one. Thanks. Bye-bye.